Imagine a world where packages arrive at your doorstep, not by a delivery driver, but by a buzzing drone hovering just above the ground. Welcome to the future. Drones are no longer just gadgets for hobbyists, they're revolutionary tools, transforming industries like delivery, surveillance, and photography. These high-tech marvels use cutting-edge cameras and sensors to navigate our complex world, all controlled remotely from miles away. But it doesn't stop there. Today, drones are getting smarter, thanks to artificial intelligence. They're learning to perform tasks independently, without the need for a human operator. Imagine drones that can identify obstacles and adjust their path, or drones that can recognize specific objects or people. The possibilities are endless, and we're just scratching the surface. So why are we so fascinated with drones? Because they're a glimpse into a future where technology expands our capabilities and changes our daily lives. A future that's not as far off as you might think. This is the world of drones, a world of endless possibilities, and it's a world we're excited to explore. Join us on this journey, and let's discover this future together.